We've got 100 days of consolidating down for NIO since last September. Are we going to have a reversal and squeeze up because we testing a discounted price, of course, for NIO at the current situation? Plus, we've got a good news regarding the delivery, almost surged 73% year over year toward 138 vehicle in December alone last year. So this is a really great news if we want to compare it to Tesla, which we have the opposite. We have less estimate or less than expectation from the analyst target for the delivery for the Tesla cars. We have less than expected. However, even though with this news, you see what's happened here for Tesla, we went down almost 23%, but before the close on Friday, we reversed 8%. This is not normal, guys. You see what's happened here? We've got a good reversal for Tesla. So we're gonna discuss today, are we gonna have the same for NIO? Because NIO, the opposite of Tesla, we have a good delivery, almost 73% surge in delivery, and the technical still didn't move yet. So we have to be prepared before the jump because we don't want to have this kind of reaction and we miss this kind of jump. You see that's what's happened here back in December. We have a huge jump because of the news of the good estimate for delivery for NIO, but the price continued to go down after that before the end of this year. We're going to discuss what's went wrong after we have this jump. We have to discuss this in today's video and how we play NIO trade at the moment because it looked really interesting and juicy for another jump up. So let's dive deeper and discuss NIO and Tesla price target for this month and beginning of this year, guys, how we play it and where the price target will go. So for now, we've got the resistance around the $4.83. The support at the moment is the 428. So we got major consolidation here for almost, not 100 days. We said 100 days from the last dip. However, the consolidation that we entered in this zone since November, yes. Since November, yeah, 12th of November or beginning of November until now, this is, yeah, 50 days. So almost 2 months of consolidation, except for this jump because we got the good news about the deliveries. However, we dipped down. So now the main question you should ask, why we dipped? Why we pulled back down and we tested the bottom again? We should have squeezed. Yes, this would be a great question to ask. We should have squeezed once we tested the $5.36 back in the 9th of December. But guys, if you see NIO in the big picture, we are heavily shorted. What I mean we got short sellers plus bag holders, which many of them just exited and took a bit of profit here. So this is will be hard for NIO to jump because we got bag holders, not just short sellers. Affect the price to go down, like what happened for AMC and GameStop. Even if they jump lately, they go down really hard, really quick because we have bag holders. For now, we got a good fundamental plus technical. Even though we pulled back, we're still holding the $4.28. And this is, show me just from the technical, guys, we've got a big buyer over the $4.28. So this month, as long as we hold over the $4.28 and we break the $4.83, this reaction, we might have it tomorrow in the pre-market, guys. We might have the same reaction that happened back here in the pre-market by tomorrow. So just put alert around the 484 to confirm that we're gonna have a bullish green day for NIO because we just got 1% or almost 2% last Friday, and this is not right move. This is not, this is nothing compared to other moves that NIO do. Usually when it jump, we jump almost 20%, like you see here, almost 20%. The last jump here, it was over 20%. So yeah, if we jumped over the $4.83 this time, we might have 30% this time around the $6.16. So for now, we need to hold and break the orange line around the $4.83 in order to go toward the 536 and the $6.60 in order to go over the $7.78, and then we gonna have a confirmation for entering a bullish trend, because even if we went around the 616, we're still below this white line, which is in a big picture the most important level that we have to break this bearish trend that started since 2001. We already discussed this trend. We said we need to break the 757 or $7.70 in order to go toward the $10.15 and beyond, and confirm that we entered a bullish trend, because we're still in the bearish trend right now, guys, and we're still in the discounted zone from my opinion for nio. If we go for Tesla chart very quick, we see that Tesla reversed from the bottom around the 370, and now we did a really good move, almost 8%. I was expecting another dip, but the reversal happened quickly. Next week, we're gonna confirm this reversal once we break the $4 or 426.78. This will be a confirmation that Tesla will go to all-time high and beyond. Otherwise, for Tesla, we might have a put trap and continue to go down if we don't break the 426.78, because the news it was a bit negative, the fundamental wise regard the deliveries. However, it still didn't affect the will of buying the dip, and many traders still buying Tesla. So this is good reaction. Even if we have a major dip, we got still a buyer for Tesla and holding a new support right now. So we're gonna discuss Tesla and new in depth by tomorrow, guys, and I will discuss a bit short in the pre-market, because every time in the pre-market we have many action. We don't trade Tesla and nio, we trade all the stocks and even crypto. If we have an opportunity for any setup, we update and put it for you guys and our Discord and picture. The link in comment section below, guys, if you want to have access to our early live streaming that we do around 7 a.m. Eastern time. And of course, the daily live streaming is still there around 9 a.m. Eastern time. Or if you live in Europe, it is around 3 p.m. CET. Thank you for watching. Plus the like button, of course, don't forget, and subscribe. So in order to get notified once we go live each day. Thank you for watching, and please let me know in comment section below, where's the price target for nio for this year? Are we gonna have the $7.70 and entering a bullish trend for this year, or we go below the 3 and go toward the $2 and $1 for nio? Let me know in comment section below. Are you still have faith for nio to go over the 7 and go toward the 10 for this year, or not? Thank you for watching, and see you by tomorrow. Cheers, everybody.